Hey guys, how are you all doing today? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Dia, and today's video I'm really excited about because in this video I will be talking about some products that I'm currently obsessed with. It might not be a new launch, but it is like new product जो मैं अभी try कर रही हूँ. That is why इस video में मैंने सोचा कि why don't I just do a short review of those product. इसमें स्किन केयर और मेकअप दोनों ही है, और अगर और भी प्रोडक्ट है तो फिर मैं इसका एक सीरीज बना दूंगी. नेक्स्ट इसका पार्ट 2 पार्ट 3 ये सब मैं बना दूंगी. एंड येस, दैट इज लाइक द टॉपिक ऑफ दिस वीडियो. इफ यू लाइक दिस टाइप ऑफ ब्यूटी कंटेंट, if you want me to try new launches, makeup, skincare, if you like this whole thing, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will also mention my Instagram down below. You can follow me there as well. And yeah, let's start. Also, if you're wondering ki what look is this, I did a Deepika Padukone inspired look from Piku, which I absolutely love. तो मैं वो shorts में दे दूँगी. You can check that out. But yeah, let's start with the first product, which is this one. So this is from Lakme. This is their Absolute Explore Eye Pencil. ये colorful eye pencil है. Actually ये kit मुझे PR से मिला था from Lakme for basically a collab that I did for them on Instagram. लेकिन like this video is not sponsored. तो यहाँ पे इतने सारे रेंज है, एंड ये आई पेंसिल जो है, दिस ग्लाइड्स ऑन सो स्मूथली. लेट मी शो यू. तो ये शेड है वाइब्रेंट अज्योर. लेट्स, कैन यू सी लाइक जस्ट एक स्वाइप में कितना अच्छा कलर आ रहा है, एंड ऑल ऑफ द कलर्स आर रियली रियली प्रिटी. लाइक मुझे जितने सारे कलर्स है बहुत पसंद है. बट द थिंग इज लाइक मुझे जो कौन लगा कि इट इज़ प्राइस्ड एट 650 रुपीज़ ईच, जो मुझे थोड़ा ज़्यादा लगा बिकॉज लाइक यू विल गेट बेटर, नॉट बेटर बट एटलीस्ट सिमिलर आई पेंसिल इससे कम दाम में. लेकिन अगेन लाइक नायका, अमेजन ये सब में सेल रहता ही है. अभी शायद ये न्यू लॉन्च है इसीलिए अभी कोई सेल नहीं है, but you will definitely get it on sale sometime soon. So yes, you can definitely check this out. So next is a skincare brand. So these are actually two products. So one is a hyaluronic acid, one is alpha arbutin. So the first one that I'm talking about is the hyaluronic acid plus D-panthenol, and the next is alpha arbutin plus 1% grapeseed plus 2% beta arbutin. So this is from the brand Refresh Skincare. I personally haven't like heard of this before. Like Amazon, I saw that there was a kit for around, I think, 2200 rupees. Mostly like I will leave it in the description. So basically it had like a face wash, a 2% PHA, this alpha arbutin hyaluronic acid, plus I think there were two more serums. I guess one was a peel AHA BHA and one more. So I thought that 2000 rupees is kind of a good deal because I wanted to try some new products from Indian brand, and I got this one. And I can say that this is really really good. Like you can see like the hyaluronic acid, I have finished almost like half, and I use hyaluronic acid regularly. And the alpha arbutin I have recently started, like it's been like a few days now I have started, and this is also like really good. And I don't have like much spots or something. Maybe I have a little bit pigmentation on my mouth area and on this forehead, but I feel like this is working pretty well. There is no like irritation or something. And reference, I have dry skin. And yeah, that's it. And the price, actually it's written as 2000 rupees each, but you will get 5 to 6 products at 2000 rupees from Amazon, so you can check that. So next is this launch from Blue Heaven. This is the jelly and butter hydrating lip balm with jojoba oil, shea butter and vitamin E, and the shade that I have is dusty rose. So actually this is like part of a new range from Blue Heaven. I have a few more products of them. Maybe I can do a separate review. And this comes like this. Can you see there is a like cute little heart sign there? So yeah, let me show on my hand right here. So yes, can you see there is a halka sa, like there is a tint, like it is kind of like a purplish or mauve kind of color, and it is really 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 hydrating. I will mention the price in the screen right here. And I think purple may, if you buy products worth 1000 rupees from this range, you will get 40% off, and I got this actually with that deal as well. And I think this like still going on. So yes, you can definitely check it out. This is a very pretty hydrating lip balm, and there are I think multiple shades of this. You can check it out. So next is a makeup product, and this is actually from the brand Plum. This is their liquid lipstick range, and the shade that I'm talking about is 129 Caramello. So this is priced at 499 rupees, and there are I think 8 shades that they have launched, if I'm not wrong. I have 4 of them, and this is like my favorite, like गो टू शेड अगर जल्दी से कहीं पे जाना होगा, इफ़ यू लाइक डोंट हैव एनी मेकअप ऑन और समथिंग, यू लाइक आई दिस इज द शेड दैट आई यूज. लेट मी जस्ट swatch it right here. And yes, this is the shade, and as you can see, like this is really pigmented. One swipe is enough, and this like suits really well, and I think like कोई भी स्किन टोन में दिस विल लुक रियली रियली गुड. एंड इट इज़ लाइक अ फुल मैट, लाइक अभी तो लाइक सूखा नहीं है, बट इफ वंस इट इज ड्राइड डाउन दैट इज टोटली मैट. इफ यू आर यूजिंग मास्क और एनीथिंग देयर वोंट बी लाइक एनी budging. It is totally smudge proof, and yes, you can definitely check out the range. This one from Nua, this is their patch acne healing patch, and इसमें 30 patches है, that is priced for 399 rupees. Let me tell you, like I don't get acne. If you can see, I don't have like any acne or acne spot, but like actually the brand the brand did send me this one, like not for any collab, they just launched a new one and they had just sent me like the whole acne range. But since like मुझे acne होता नहीं है, so I couldn't really try. But क्या हुआ कि like once they send it, within 1 month I got a huge pimple right on here. like मुझे ट्रिप में जाना था, मे बी उसका व्लॉग भी आ जाएगा, यू कैन सी इन द वीडियोस एज वेल. मुझे इतना ह्यूज लाइक एक्ने यहाँ पे पिंपल यहाँ पे हो गया था, एंड व्हाट आई डिड वाज लाइक था ये मेरे पास, तो रात में आई यूज दिस वन, लाइक एज दे हैव मेंशन, लाइक लगा के मैं सो गई थी, एंड 8 घंटा बाद जब मैंने उठाया पूरा वो पस के साथ ना ये निकल गया था. लाइक I don't know, I have never used any acne patches before, so I don't know if everything works like that or not, but I was highly impressed. And इसमें मैं दिखा देती हूँ. So इसमें as you can see, like there are like multiple like sizes, तो आपको जैसे size का चाहिए you can definitely use this one. Maybe I will add the screenshot here, light में अच्छा नहीं दिख रहा है, but yes, I highly suggest this one. If you have acne issue, if you want to like use the patches, you can definitely go for this one. And I think for the price you pay for 30 patches, like there are 30 number of patches there, so yeah, it's good. And the last product that I'm obsessed with is a makeup product, and this is from the brand Recode. This is the lip and cheek tint, and इसका shade है okay, the shade is Goosebumps. So it is priced at 495 rupees, but again I think in Amazon, नाइका में मुझे पता नहीं है कि दिस अवेलेबल और नॉट, ही विल गेट डिस्काउंट. लाइक दिस सब ब्रांड का ना ज़्यादा करके दे देते हैं, दिस लाइक इंडियन ब्रांड स्पेशली, बट यू विल गेट इन डिस्काउंट. आई विल लिंक इट बिलो. सो येस, दिस इज़ द कलर. आई लव द कलर. मुझे लगा था कि शायद ये थोड़ा लाइट होगा, बट एक्चुअली इट्स नॉट दैट लाइट. एंड मैं थोड़ा हाथ में लेके दिखाती हूँ. लेट मी जस्ट स्वैच इट राइट हियर. You can see how pigmented, and like उससे ज़्यादा है कि it is so creamy, because I have another one similar to this, like color different है, that is from Just Herbs. price भी ज़्यादा था, but वो बहुत like hard था. it is not this creamy. So let me just show you. So I don't have like any blush today. You see, this is looking so pretty. like यहाँ पे मैंने कुछ भी नहीं लगाया है. I have just used it here. This looks really like flushed out kind of look, and it is so creamy, and हाथ से भी ये बहुत जल्दी blend हो जाता है. So like currently I'm really obsessed about this blush. मैं हर जगह use कर रही हूँ ये वाला, and yes, you can definitely check it out. and जितने सारे like products के बारे में मैं बता रही हूँ, everything will be in the link below, so you can check it out. If you want to check, you can definitely check from those links. and कोई भी अगर दूसरा product है, if you want me to try out anything else, like I'm also in Hyderabad, if you want me to visit any restaurant or something, you can leave that also. वो भी मैं कर रही थी vlogs. And that's it for this video guys. Take care. Bye.